This video is part 1, where I start to dismantle the carpeting on the stairs to get ready for part 2. This was probably one of the more dangerous carpet pulls I've done, just because I was trying to pull really hard and dislodge it from the staples while also moving backwards. But also as I'd pull out the carpet, a bunch of staples would come out with it, which is good for later steps, but it made it kind of like a strip of barbed wire every 6 inches or so. That was quite dangerous. As I got towards the bottom here, I had to kind of pull it around the spindles. We're taking the spindles out in another video, but had to work around them for the moment. Then I started taking out the padding, and at the top there I started with doing the staples and the tack strips as well, all at the same time, and then kind of gave up on that and just wanted to pull all the padding nice and quick. Much more satisfying that way. Toss it down the stairs and work my way down. Then I did need to come through though and pull out all the tack strips, which are those, looks red, but it's kind of just some red lettering on wood, very sharp, to hold all that carpet in place. And then along with it, using my little staple puller, which is an invaluable tool if you're doing carpet pulling, because it just kind of pops each of the staples out one by one nice and quick. I always sweep up as I go, since I do like to work from bottom to top, and I don't want to sit on all those pokey staples. So I keep going and doing one at a time all around. It's very satisfying when it's done though, because it looks really messy right now, and then it becomes really nice and clean and prepped for future steps once all of those staples are out and ready to go. They each have a little bit of padding stuck to them, so that's why they look green. And that's end of day 1.